Hello guys, this is Andrew Cheng from Logen Solutions. In this video, I want to share with you how to create a packaging design and palette configurations by using CubeDesigner software. I'm going to create an example number 2, which analyze a palette configuration with overhang. I will put a fixed item 6 by 5 by 5 inch, and then I'm going to use the existing database of the ship cases, and then they will be placed into a GMA palette. So you may understand we have to define the design sequence. So primer packaging and ship pack and unit load. So primer packaging, I'm going to put the fixed size 6 and 5 and 5 inch, and I wanna place this primer packaging place vertical to the length. So I have chosen this option, and then we have the name Toys R Us. That's gonna be a toy box, and then the style will look like standard reverse tuck. And then I'm going to the shoe pack. So as I told you, I'm going to use the existing database. That's why I chosen the sizing database. And then if we go to the database section, you are going to see more information. So I have chosen 3 different boxes. So that means I'm going to utilize existing database for analysis of the palette configuration. And then now I'm going to put some range, which is the minimum 20 and maximum 40 pieces of primer package in a ship pack. And then I'm going to unit load, and then I'm going to fill the palette GMA, and then I was just limiting the maximum weight. And then as I told you, we are going to use overhang, so which means the length of forward and length of forward, the width of forward will be allowed to extend the flow of the palette. So we are going to have overhang on the fillet, and then I wanna put some patterns. And then because I'm going to compare every single different patterns, and then I'm going to put some packaging options. I mean top padding, corner post, shrink wraps, and straps, and then each dimension has been placed in these settings. And then we are done with the setting, so you are going to press the calculate button. Now we got the result, which has 14, and then the first solution look like this, which tells us it has 6 by 5 by 5, and then the ship pack has been a ship pack of this box has been chosen from the database, and then this box will have arrangement 36, which is 3 by 3 by 4. So you may understand this has poor utilization because the existing size has been selected, and then this box has been placed to the GMA palette like this. And then if we see the dimensions, you may see we had an overhang, so which means we have more than 100% utilization on the floor because of the overhang. So if we choose to decide you may see the load has been placed over the pallet because of the overhang. And then if we go to the list, we can see the more detailed information. So we can see there are different number of pieces, and then because of different settings, so it shows the solution number 1 definitely has the most pieces on the palette. So we are going to choose these solutions by pressing this button. Now we got a report which shows every information we have chosen. Primary package has this dimension, and the sheet pack has this dimension, and then the graphics will look like this. And then we have a palette configuration which tells the size of the palette and the load size and how much overhang has been made, and then what was the weight and flow utilization. This was more than 100% because of the overhang. And then we have 105 cubic utilizations. Then we got 3 layers as you saw in the graphics, and then we have 5 numbers per layers, which becomes 15. And then the total number of pieces of the primary package was 3240. And then we may see we have a packaging material, and it shows we got top packaging, top pad, and no middle pad, no bottom pad, but we got the corner post, and then we got the shrink wraps, and then we got a strap guard which had 1 inches, about with 1 inch. And then you could have more options in the command button, so you can approve it. And then we got the stamp here, and then you can see more report, which is palette configuration. So it tells the palette configuration only. And then if you want to save, go to the file and save, and then if we go to the today view, you may see your changes has been placed on the top. Okay, everything has been figured out. Thank you very much. Bye bye.